Here you can see the jig. It just holds the column in here, and just drill one hole, turn it to the next spot to drill the next hole. Makes drilling these holes fairly simple. So that's about all there is to it. Now what I got to do is turn the legs that go into these holes. I went ahead off camera and I just ripped up these 3 pieces of cherry. We're going to go over and mount these on the lathe, and we'll turn these into dowels, and we'll also have to put a tenon on one end. Once we have the 3 legs cut, what I have to do is cut a 45-degree angle on the bottom, because these are at a 45-degree angle to the column. Once I have the angles cut, I can go ahead and fit these into the column to make the adjustments so the angles are properly orientated, and that's looking good. I've gone ahead and cut out all the pieces that we need for the part of the table that holds our drawer in place, and this is also going to support the top. Once these pieces are all cut, and I've also done a preliminary sanding on them with a 100 grit. So the next step to this project is to go ahead and glue this together. Now that we have all these clamps on this tiny little box, I can turn my attention to the top. So the next step will be to pick out the cherry boards and plane them down to the thickness we want.